Na-interview ka na ba tapos tinanong ka ng, tell me about a time when you handled a difficult customer or a difficult employee. Tapos, biglang nag-loading ang utak mo.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Alam mo naman ang sagot, naranasan mo naman talaga, kaso hindi mo alam kung paano mo ikukwento ng maayos. That's where STAR framework can save you. Kapag situational or behavioral interview questions ang pinag-uusapan, hindi lang gustong malaman ng interviewer kung anong ginagawa mo. Gusto nilang malaman kung paano ka mag-isip, paano ka gumawa ng desisyon at anong naging resulta ng action mo. And one of the simplest way to organize your answer is by using the STAR framework. So, ano ba tong STAR framework? Actually, acronym yan. STAR. S is for situation, T is for task, A is for action, and R is for result. Basically, parang binibigyan mo ng structure yung kwento mo para hindi ka paikot-ikot or hindi ka paulit-ulit. Isa-isahin natin simulan natin sa S for situation. First, syempre, sabi mo muna kung ano yung situation. For example, TL ka sa isang call center. You can say, during one of our busiest months, I noticed that there is a spike in the absenteeism of my team. And it's already started to affect our service level. Simple, tsaka may context agad. Next is task. Ano yung responsibility mo? Since I was a team leader, my responsibility is to make sure that we maintain the staffing requirements without compromising the team's morale. So ngayon, alam na ng interviewer kung anong problema at ano ang role mo. Next is action. Ito yung pinaka-importanting part. Ano ba mismo ang ginawa mo? Sample, I reviewed the attendance pattern, talked to the employees individually to understand the reasons for the absences, and coordinated with our workforce management to adjust our staffing plan. I also introduced daily attendance check-ins and recognized employees who consistently showed up. May napansin ka ba? Hindi mo sinabi na I solved the problem. You explained how you solved it. And that's exactly what interviewers want to hear. And then lastly, R for result. Finally, anong naging outcome? Within the next few weeks, absenteeism went down, our staffing improved, and we were able to consistently meet our service level targets. And that's our STAR answer. And bakit ba nakakabilib tong STAR framework? Ang maganda sa STAR framework, mga papi, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling magkwento. You just need to remember 4 things. Anong nangyari? Anong responsibility ko? Anong ginawa ko? At anong naging resulta? That's it. And here's another important tip, mga paps. Don't spend 80% of your answer talking about the problem. Most common mistake ng mga applicants is that they spend too much time in describing the situation. 5 minutes nilang ikukwento kung gaano kasama yung customer, gaano kagulo yung operations, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero pagdating sa what did you do, ang sagot ginawa ko po yung best ko. Di pwede yun, paps. Spend more time on your actions and result. Because that's where you demonstrate your skills. So next time, pag tinanong ka ng interviewer, tell me about a time when, don't panic. Think STAR. Situation, task, action, result. Kasi sa interview, hindi enough na sabihin mo lang that I can handle the situation. You need to tell a story that proves it. And if you're preparing for your next BPO interview, remember, don't just tell the interviewer what you can do. Give them a story that shows you already did it. At kung nakatulong sa'yo itong video na to, save it, mga paps. And share it to someone who's preparing for an interview. Yun lang. Thanks for watching, mga paps. Till next Budol. Peace!